your girl Brandy Giz. I'm back with another video, and today I decided to do another haul for you guys. I am uploading a haul featuring some items that my co-workers blessed me with, and also a Ulta haul. I'll just combine the two, but right now I'm going to show you just a few items. This is like a mini haul of some items that I picked up while I was shopping with my friend at the Premium Outlet in Aurora, Illinois. So enough jibber jabber, I will show you right now what I picked up. That was really, really good. Some of the stuff I can't show, but the stuff that I can, I'm going to share with you all. This is from Michael Kors, and she was in the Michael Kors store looking for a purse. I wasn't looking for anything, but at the end, she decided to switch her purse out, and I seen this last makeup case sitting on the counter. I grabbed it, and I think it was like only 20 bucks after I finished getting all the discounts. But this is so pretty. It's a Michael Kors cosmetic case, and it says your star. Just cute, like the gold. And this is how the back look, the top and the bottom. So that is all that I picked up at Michael Kors. If you want to see what's in my cosmetic bag, thumbs up this video and I'll do it for you. I am gonna bang out some videos for you guys. Okay, moving on. We went into the Adidas store to pick up some, I thought I was gonna find some leggings. I purchased my son one of those Adidas track jackets. He has it on right now, walking around the house, so ain't no need to show you guys. Ain't no need. There's no need to show you guys that. But I did pick up this cute little jogging set that I'm gonna rock, and it is really cute. This is the joggers set. Can y'all see that? I have this little partition going up in the back that I decided just to put up because I don't use it much. But this is the back, and it comes with the slim normal pants, jogger pants, and it has pockets. This is how the bottoms look. Now this jogging suit, you guys know Adidas can be a little pricey, but this jogging suit was only $29.99, so it was a steal. So we were like clowning up in that store. I was trying to get another color, but they didn't have my size. I'm glad that I tried it on because I thought I would fit a medium, but guys, no. Guys, no, I couldn't fit a medium. I don't know what I was thinking about, but this right here is in a extra large. So yeah, moving on. I went into I guess I'll show you Sally's as well. I'm gonna show you what I picked up at Sally's. Hey, before I move on, I know Christmas is over with, but I found these at the gift shop at my job, and they are so cute. I can wear these next Christmas, so I'm gonna put all my Christmas stuff up. And when I went into Old Navy, don't get too excited because this is just some stuff that is like Christmas stuff, but these were like $2 at Old Navy. And they are these Christmas pajama thermals that they have going on sale. These are the pajama thermals that they had on sale that I wanted to pick up for next Christmas. So I picked those up, and they also had these thermals. Let me see. This one was $3.49, and here's another one in red. I purchased two because I think I'm going to give one away to my mom if she, I don't know, since they were only $3, I purchased two. And I got it in green as well. This green one, and the last one is this right here, and it says Old Navy, California, and I also picked that up. So like I said, that was not exciting, but it was only $3.49. Okay, and the last Christmas item, I purchased this also at my job's gift shop, and this is just a cute little hat that you wear. during the Christmas time, it comes with a little clip. So you just clip it to your hair, and I guess you wear it. So all this stuff, I know it's the new year, I'm just gonna put all this away for next Christmas, so I will be ready. But that was also on clearance. Okay, moving on to Sally Beauty Supply. Now you guys know I have this color in my hair and I want to keep it up. So I went to the beauty supply store looking for a particular item to stop. I was having a lot of shedding in my hair, so I wanted to go back to what I was used to. So I went in and I picked up some Aphogee products, and you probably will see I think I'm going to upload a video showing you how I style my now short hair. And I picked up some shampoo for damaged hair, and this right here, it cleanses gently and it restores shine, so I picked that up along with the Pro Vitamin. This is the leave-in conditioner. I already had the Keratin 2-minute Reconstructurizer, and you guys are probably wondering, where am I getting this stuff from? I have like a drawer for hair stuff, and this is one of the reasons why I went into the beauty supply store, because I wanted the 2-step protein treatment, and I actually put that in my hair right now. My hair is really soft. It's not shedding as much as it was, because it was like it was shedding really bad, and I guess from the relaxer that I have in my hair and the color and the cold weather. So I'm trying to take care of the little hair that I have, and I use this, and so far it's been, I think, 2 days, a day or two. So no, let me see, it's been 2 days, and so far it's working. I also picked up the Aphogee Keratin Green Tea Reconstructurizer. Also had the Balancing Moisturizer, and this infuses moisture and improves manageability in your hair. I was so desperate that I also purchased some Jamaican mango and lime black castor oil, and this one smells good. Now the original one, it's the Jamaican black castor oil right here. It don't smell that good, but this one smells really good. It has I guess coconut in it to make it smell good. But I'll be using this on my scalp, and hopefully shoot to grow my brows too. And I picked up some plastic caps because I needed them when I sit under the dryer. I like to sit under the dryer when I wash my hair. After I wash my hair and condition it, I like to sit under the dryer. I don't like to walk around. For some reason, it's just, I guess my hair is used to me sitting under the dryer with conditioner, so I like to do that. And the last item that I picked up is this shower cap. Cute little shower cap, and it's like a fashion print, and that's it. So that that is all that I picked up at the store. I thank you all for watching. So yeah, that is all that I picked up at the store. I thank you all for watching. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Until then, guys, have a blessed one. Bye bye.